Hey guys, you know what I love to do? Well, you know what I used to love to do, but I still would love to do it, is go online, find a really trendy, stupid, silly Instagram social media based watchmaker and just tear them to shreds. I used to do it all the time on this channel, and today I'm going to be doing it to a new kid on the block. Spaghetti Scametti. It is 6:25 p.m. Let's get down to business. So when we go to Spaghetti Scametti's, dude, just saying the name makes me want to laugh. I don't know. When we go to Spaghetti Scametti's homepage, the first thing we see is someone counting money. We see someone shooting money guns. It says the new face of affordable luxury, revolutionary watches, ridiculous prices. Hey, that kind of sounds like a lot of brands we've taken a look at. Hold on, this person looks familiar. I don't think this is just anybody. I think this is Ben from Ben's Watch Club. Nah. However, I will say there is a quote near the top from Ben's Watch Club. Quote, better than Rolex, Patek, and Omega combined. Hold on. I might need to get my hands on one of these watches because just looking at the watch that they showcase for $65 cut down from $129, it's like everything I love about wristwatch design today. Blue dial, super uncommon. Angular flat bezel, super uncommon. Integrated bracelet, never seen that before. Dang, these guys are on the cutting edge. Spaghetti Scametti Icon Launch Edition. That's pretty funny because it's like icon, like I'm going to con you. When we scroll down, we see an absolutely jacked motherfucker with a totally not photoshopped Spaghetti Scametti watch on his wrist, and then it says heavily edited images to lower your self-esteem and make you purchase. Maybe it is Photoshop, I don't know. And then here's something that I've harped on this channel like a million times, that whoever did this website may have been inspired by. I'm not gonna say they copied me, but they copied me. They copied me. There's a watch, and then there's a bunch of headstones with what seem to be Mac 11s shooting at them, and then like the customer leaving a 5-star review. So it says middleman elimination done right. A revolutionary business model doesn't just cut out the middlemen, it completely annihilates them. Rest in pieces, middlemen. Your time is up. Every awesome, totally legit watchmaker that we find in social media that we look at on this channel, they all say, no middlemen. We're different. We cut out the middlemen. Oh, come on. When we read the Our Story section, we see some, beautiful sprawling hills with some houses, and then what seems to be a gorgeous European waterfront town. It says, Spaghetti Scametti was founded with a passionate spirit and simple goal to make quick, easy cash. This is like so on the nose, but the truth is, I understand this is satire. This is literally what we take a look at every time we critique one of these bullshit companies. We hated how the industry giants were making decent profits by providing good products. We wanted not just a slice of this pie, but the whole pie. Pie. I like how they have multiple buttons that say buy into our story, so it's like it's coaxing you. Our history. The name Spaghetti Scametti was carefully crafted to invoke visions of exotic taste and grandeur. After all, who doesn't like a bit of bolognese? We are 100% pretending to be Italian. Where have we seen this before? We have a long, industrious history spanning a couple months. The journey started as a parody, now it has become a reality. That Lambo isn't going to pay for itself. No, it won't. After all, our mission. We keep pretending like it's to change the world or shake up the watch industry when in reality, we're desperate to get rich quickly. How much money is too much, you say? Well, I don't believe in placing limits on your ambitions. Man, I appreciate that. By supposedly cutting out the middlemen, definitely 100% not us, and using the cheapest materials we can lay our mitts on, profits have blasted through the stratosphere. All of our watches are lovingly handcrafted in China, showcasing our unique minimalistic aesthetic that is actually a clever ruse to disguise our rudimentary products. If by some miracle you do receive one of our watches, good luck sending it back. The return process is like a Harvard entrance exam. I mean, who wants to deal with customers? In the office, we refer to you guys as walking wallets. Want a discount code? Click here. Our watches aren't even worth their retail price. Our community. From time to time, you might see a YouTube or Instagram influencer who seems to be pushing our products like crazy. These guys are insanely easy to control. Just send them a free product or a couple of quid. Outside of that, all the posts on our socials are user-generated by narcissistic millennials desperate for attention. We pitch this as our community when it's actually just free marketing. We're profiting off the toxic jealousy culture of social media. Dr. Evil would be proud. Then we have a picture of the founder. He looks so familiar, guys. He looks so familiar. The name's Dente. Al dente. When I exited the womb, my first word was money, not mummy. I dropped out of college at the age of 6 to pursue my dream of making Jeff Bezos look poor. My multi-million inheritance wasn't enough for me to buy food with. I realized that major watch brands weren't extorting the customer for every last penny they had. So I took up the mantle and decided to change the world. By using just about every dodgy sales tactic in the book, we've taken customer exploitation to new heights. Congratulations. Customers are now effectively emptying their bank accounts into mine, and the best part is the media is lapping it up. We're grabbing more headlines than Theranos. Essentially, I traded morals for money, and boy, do I sleep better at night. Racks and stacks make for one hell of a mattress. Legal disclaimer. Spaghetti Skemetti is a novelty parody brand intended to make fun of the watch industry. It's an extension of Ben's Watch Club Ltd. While we're legitimately now selling products, the above is a fictional and intended for comedic effect only. But anyway, this is hilarious. I do want to click on the frequently asked questions. Are these watches affordable? Yes. When will my watch arrive? Good things take time, loads of time. This is why Spaghetti Skemetti watches come with guaranteed next decade delivery, In all seriousness, because our watches come from China, like our competitors, it could take a month or 3 to turn up. Don't worry, we'll ship the watch with proof that the middleman was successfully eliminated. Where are the middlemen that you eliminated? I'm in the construction business. What do you think? Hey, we got some mafioso al dente. Hey! So guys, I'm not gonna read all the things on the frequently asked questions page, but my favorite one is the can I swim while wearing my Skemetti watch? The answer is you sure can. It will almost certainly break. Then you can return to Skemetti store and buy another one. But yeah, this is hilarious. I don't know if you want to support this parody brand, but if you do, I will leave a link in the description below. And again, it is Ben's Watch Club, so if you do want to support him, I suppose go ahead and throw him a couple bucks and buy one of these novelty watches. But very, very funny. I appreciate the dedication to the bit. As a channel that is 100% dedicated to the bit, I really do appreciate this. So good job, Ben's Watch Club. And yeah, impressive. So there you have it, guys. Another episode in the books. I will catch you on the next one. Stay happy, stay healthy, stay blessed. I'm Jory Goodman, the Time Teller. And always remember, I didn't invent time. I just tell it. And if you want to go shop at a store that isn't a scam, go ahead, click the link in the description below and check out the Time Teller shop. #1 place to find affordable vintage luxury watches handpicked by me and with a 1-year service warranty, so you don't have to worry about any type of headache that you might get with one of these Spaghetti Skemettis. All right, I will catch you later, guys.